plenty of work going on over there before the public is allowed in. We've got the all-electric Porsche Taycan there, which looks sensational. Performance corner over here. I'm loving that. And here's the man himself. Oh, good. Oh, great to see you.
Hi, good to see you. How are you doing? Good to be with you, mate. Yeah, may I introduce you to Alex? Absolutely.
Hi, Alex Daria.
Great to meet you,
So
of
nice
course.
to meet you.
HBO White Lotus.
That's right.
It's a nice car. I love the Lotus Street, actually.
Oh, the Lotus is big. There's no car's favorite car. I absolutely love it here.
I feel the same, and I'm very proud of my team, and thanks to everybody who brought it to life. It looks absolutely extraordinary. And what you could love this on, because I think it looks like a bit of a face for me in terms of some rockets. Yeah, like every time in LA we bought some very special pieces. First of all, the new GTS, also very successful Taycan, and then the real action hero, our new 718 GT4 RS, and we are looking forward to bring you to the rivers.
Action hero. So LA is the perfect place to bring these cars.
That's why we are here.
Well, that's a pretty awesome mix there, Olga, in terms of having the first now fully electric GTS member of our family.